Missy.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that
Damn, Missy Mari got me.
Effortless bouncy curls. I feel like if you don't have any layers in your hair, I feel like your curls don't lay in the way that frames your face. They just kind of lay flat, and like that just doesn't sensitive as much as, you know, a little, just another experience in the hand movement. But so I'm gonna layer my hair a little bit. I'm gonna start long. I'm just gonna literally, I don't know if you guys can see, just cut it going down. You can see the difference already, like this side is a lot more straighter and just flat, whereas this already, like, it's not even curl, but you can see how much it kind of texturizes the hair a little bit and gives it a bit more of a fluff. Because now that I've cut that front piece shorter, this will be able to kind of stay in this position basically, rather than it just being like that. I'm just gonna cut it a little bit more. So it's a bit short. I'm literally just gonna cut. That one was a bit choppy. Oh, that's it. This is
Got me.
curls are all done. I have no edges right now, but I kind of want to leave it as no edges, but I kind of want to add edges. So I was gonna do no edges, but I'm gonna do some edges. Looks cute. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I'm absolutely in love with this unit. 24-inch body wave, 13x4 frontal wig, and it's super soft. It is really nice. I did layer it a little bit. If you guys love body wave hair, or the unit did actually come pre-bleached, and it actually came with curls and things already, but I just kind of, whenever I get hair, I like to wash them. So I did wash the wig. So obviously I started the hair without the curls, but I didn't have to bleach the knots at all because it actually came bleached, and I was so happy about that because I was already thinking like, I have to bleach hair. I was just not ready for it. So the fact that I didn't, I was actually really happy about that. But yeah, I love the lace is really good too. You know, it melted quite nicely, and this is only spray. This is not glue. The lace is really thin as well, actually. I would say that it's kind of rippling here a little bit, but it's because it's not tight enough. It needs to be a bit more tighter. Thank you to Alipearl for working with me on this video. Make sure you guys check them out. All the details for this unit will be in my description box below. I feel like in terms of good quality hair, Alipearl is up there. They've been going strong for years, so make sure you guys check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I really like the texture of this hair. It's really silky. It's like a really silky, you can see me run my hand through it, and it's not like getting tangled or caught or anything. So the texture is really nice. It's a really nice dark unit as well. I feel black, so if you like dark hair as well, I feel like you would like this unit. It was super easy. The lace was really easy to work with as well, so that was nice. It wasn't too thick, it was really thin actually. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.